There's 2 brownies. We got some marshmallows here.
Some marshmallows, huh?
What is marshmallows?
Okay.
It's like wood.
Alright, there you go. Try your marshmallows.
This is
Whoa, Ellion, what do you have?
I said I wanted Mimi to vlog.
You want Mimi to vlog? Why?
Because you need to help me with this thing.
No, Mimi needs to help you.
There's so many toys there for you to choose from. You could be playing with these all day.
But you need help.
Let's put some train tracks down for him.
Put this away until nighttime.
All right.
Help me. Help me, Mimi. You need to help me.
She's coming.
Frankie. Where does this thing go?
Well, Mimi said she'd help you put the houses on.
Is the house?
Yep.
Okay.
Do as much as you can by yourself, and then Mimi will come and help you.
Cool.
Yeah, do the train track part, and I'll help you put the like places on it.
Yep. I found a tree.
You found a tree?
I pulled a tree.
Okay, so Mimi is like not. Robert's like, let me take over here. Let me show you how this is done.
Well, no wonder I played with this as a kid, so. Alright, we got our little amusement park over here.
I got airplane for this. Here.
That's his favorite part, the airplane.
Here,
Oh
this.
yeah.
Oh yeah, he likes this.
Room the place. Brown my
Why does he
brain.
keep saying brain bone? What is a brain bone?
I guess it's his skull, his head.
Brain bone, babe.
He said I broke my brain bone.
Get out. Ellion, you gotta go to jail for that, bro.
You're hilarious, dude.
I don't want to go still. Oh no.
Oh no.
I got it.
I got you, dude.
You got it.
Got me.
So there's just all these little pieces.
See this one?
This one has an
A brand new.
airplane. This one has. Who's supposed to sit on this Ferris wheel?
There was little like figures. I don't know if we have them anymore. I think we do have one or two.
Oh, I bet you could buy the little figures. You know what I mean? Like you
This
could buy them
one.
on eBay or something.
GEO tracks are expensive. Like ridiculously expensive.
Just for like 6 figures that can sit on the
4.
Ferris wheel. Oh, 4, 5, yeah, 6.
Look at this one.
Oh, that is so cool.
Look, here's one of them.
Okay.
Set it on the Ferris wheel, Ellion.
That's so cool.
Where is her?
You put her on the Ferris wheel.
Oh, that one.
Mm-hmm.
That's the sniper.
And snap her in.
And
That's so cool.
Isn't it?
You did it by yourself?
the water help.
Aww.
At least he's honest.
Yeah, you told the truth.
Well, Robert helped you make a really awesome.
City to yourself. What do you call it? Is it Ellion City?
Yeah.
Ellion's Colorful watch his kid shows all the time. Or Barney.
Barney is a dinosaur from our imagination, and when he's tall, he's what we call a dinosaur sensation. Barney has a train like this, and him always riding.
I mean, what do you think he would do with the Barney stuffed animal that like sings like?
Oh,
Bernard?
remember yours when
I
yours
know.
lit
Oh
up
my
and
gosh,
stuff?
If he had one of those, he would flip.
Oh gosh, man, what happened to cool toys like that? The stomach of the Barney was like all colorful
Yeah, it would light
and
up with little music notes.
I wonder
and
if we
like
could
he
find
would
one of
press
those on
his
eBay.
hands or his feet, and he would sing different songs. It was cool.
I want to do an eBay search on that.
Did it move though? Or no? Did it move or just sing?
No, I think it was just, it lit up. Its stomach lit up in different colors and stuff. It was so cute.
Look,
Good job.
I found one.